These industrial-type buildings are the Willowtown Brickworks, owned by the Ebbw Vale company which produce bricks. Just like this one. It's pretty heavy as well. These was produced to line the furnaces and to build houses for the workers. Known as the Brynhelig Works, it was situated above the site of Willowtown School. Another was situated at Sir Harry, originally for the Sir Harry Ironworks that also belonged to the Ebbw Vale company. Ganja Works produced red Ebbw Vale brick, while Brynhelig produced this cream-coloured brick which you can see in so many buildings in the area. All the brickworks had closed by 1962, but said that the area around Ebbw Vale was once producing 18 million bricks a year at its peak. That is a lot of bricks.